Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can change your name on Facebook. So go open your Facebook profile, tap on the profile icon on the lower right, and just tap on the settings icon on the upper right. Tap on personal information. And as you can see here under general is the name. You can just change that. Let's choose that. And for example, I'm just going to change my name to Hannah Marie. And it says here, if you change your name on Facebook, you can change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters, or random words. And once you submit that, then Facebook will review the change and they will get back to you and you'd be able to change your name on Facebook. Well, that's it. I hope this helped. Thank you guys for watching and we will see you on the next video.